Alright, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're diving into something that every rider eventually faces: riding in the dark. Now, I love a good sunset ride as much as the next person. But let's be honest, sometimes those rides extend a little longer than planned. And before you know it, you're battling the darkness. And that's exactly what happened to me the other day. I was cruising along, enjoying the last bit of daylight, when suddenly sound of headlight cutting out. Oh. No, you have got to be kidding me. Yep, the headlight decided to take a vacation. Not ideal, right? Especially when you're still on the road. The first rule of riding in the dark, or any time for that matter, is safety first. So, I immediately pulled over to a safe spot. That means well off the road, preferably somewhere with a bit of visibility. Hazards on, check. Now, time to figure out what's going on. Let me tell you, working on your bike in the dark is never fun. But it's a necessary evil. First things first, grab the flashlight. Luckily, I always carry one. Gotta love a good flashlight, right? I started with the obvious, the headlight bulb itself. Sometimes they just burn out. I checked the connections, made sure everything was seated properly. Nope, not the bulb. Alright, deeper dive time. Next up, the fuse box. This is where things get interesting. Motorcycles, like cars, have fuses to protect the electrical system. If a fuse blows, it cuts off the power to the circuit. And in this case, the headlight. I opened up the fuse box. Now, the fuse box location varies depending on your bike, so check your owner's manual. I started checking each fuse. Some are easy to spot, with a little clear window. And then, there it was. The culprit. One of the fuses was blown. It's usually pretty obvious, a broken wire inside the fuse. Great, found the problem. Now, what caused it? Sometimes it's just a random thing. Maybe there was a voltage spike. Could be a short somewhere. I replaced the fuse with a spare I had. Always carry spares, folks. Fuses are cheap and easy to replace. And they can save you a lot of headache. With the new fuse in, I flipped the switch, and sound of headlight turning on. Yes. We have light. Now, before I rode off into the night again, I spent a few minutes looking at the wiring, checking for any obvious damage that may have caused the fuse to blow in the first place. You never want a repeat performance. Fortunately, everything looked good. And that's it. Back on the road, safe and sound. So, the moral of the story? Always be prepared for the unexpected. Carry a flashlight, carry spare fuses, and know how to troubleshoot basic electrical problems. It could save you from a very long walk. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.